What if I told you that Honda could be bringing back a legendary motorcycle? A name that still makes the hearts of seasoned riders race the moment they hear it. Would you believe it? This isn't just another motorcycle. It's the machine that earned its reputation through raw power, an aggressive attitude, and a thrilling riding experience that left a lasting mark on the streets. Now imagine this. If Honda were to revive the X11 for 2026 with modern technology, a more powerful engine, and an even more muscular design, it wouldn't just be another comeback. It could mark the return of one of the most dangerous street beasts ever to wear the Honda badge. But what could the new 2026 Honda X11 possibly offer that would make every motorcycle enthusiast stop, watch, and want to ride it? Let's find out. Now, the biggest question is, if Honda really decides to bring the X11 back, what should it look like? Because bringing back a legendary name isn't enough anymore. In today's world, a motorcycle has to do more than perform well. It has to make a powerful first impression the moment you see it. And that's exactly what made the original Honda X11 so unforgettable. The Honda X11 was never designed to blend into the crowd. It had a bold, muscular presence that instantly stood out from every angle. Even when it was parked, it looked fast, aggressive, and ready to dominate the road. That unmistakable Streetfighter character became its identity, and if Honda ever revives the X11 for 2026, fans around the world will expect that same DNA to remain untouched. At the same time, the new X11 can't rely on nostalgia alone. It has to embrace modern styling while staying true to its roots. Riders would love to see a sharper full LED headlight with aggressive daytime running lights, slimmer LED turn signals, and a redesigned LED taillight that gives the motorcycle a premium and unmistakably modern appearance. The fuel tank should remain large and muscular, with sculpted bodywork that instantly reminds everyone they're looking at a true Honda X11. The side profile will be just as important. A blacked-out engine, premium aluminum finishes, beautifully crafted exhausts, and sporty alloy wheels could give the bike an even stronger Streetfighter personality. Every detail should look purposeful, creating the feeling that this motorcycle was built for riders who appreciate both performance and aggressive styling. Comfort should also play a major role. A well-cushioned seat, an upright riding position, and a wide handlebar could make the new X11 equally enjoyable in city traffic and on long highway rides. It's the kind of motorcycle that should feel comfortable enough for everyday use while still delivering the excitement expected from a legendary naked bike. Technology is another area where fans expect major improvements. A full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, traction control, cruise control, keyless ignition, and premium electronic rider aids could transform the Honda X11 into a machine that feels just as advanced as it looks. These features wouldn't just improve convenience. They would make every ride more confident and enjoyable. When it comes to colors, Honda has an opportunity to create something truly special. Gloss black, candy red, pearl white, matte titanium gray, and deep metallic blue could perfectly complement the X11's muscular design, giving riders a range of finishes that highlight its aggressive personality. Now just imagine this for a moment. It's early morning, the roads are quiet, and sunlight reflects off the sharp bodywork of the new Honda X11. The muscular fuel tank catches your eye, the premium metal finishes shine from every angle, and even before the engine starts, the motorcycle commands attention. People stop and stare, not because it's loud, but because its presence speaks for itself. If Honda truly brings the X11 back in 2026, fans won't simply be expecting another motorcycle. They'll be waiting for the return of a legend, a machine that once ruled the streets and, with the right design and modern engineering, could do it all over again. But here's the thing. A legendary motorcycle isn't remembered because of its looks alone. The real story begins the moment the rider presses the start button and the engine comes to life. That's when a motorcycle reveals its true personality. And if Honda ever decides to bring back the X11 in 2026, this is where fans will have the highest expectations. The original Honda X11 earned its legendary status because it delivered far more than impressive styling. It was known for its raw power, instant acceleration, and incredibly smooth performance. It offered the kind of riding experience that made every twist of the throttle unforgettable. That's why enthusiasts believe the new X11 should stay true to that spirit instead of becoming just another modern naked bike. Many riders hope Honda would equip the new X11 with a powerful inline-four engine that delivers strong performance throughout the entire rev range. But horsepower alone isn't enough. The power should be smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring, making the bike easy to enjoy in city traffic while still delivering thrilling acceleration the moment the road opens up. Modern technology could make the riding experience even better. Features like ride-by-wire throttle, a slipper clutch, a quick shifter, and a refined 6-speed transmission could provide smoother gear changes and sharper throttle response. Every shift should feel effortless, giving riders complete confidence whether they're cruising through town or pushing harder on the highway. Today's riders also expect advanced electronics, and the 2026 Honda X11 could benefit from features such as multiple riding modes, traction control, dual-channel ABS, cruise control, engine brake management, and a full suite of rider assistance systems. These upgrades wouldn't just improve safety. They would make every ride more enjoyable and adaptable to different road conditions. Now imagine yourself riding it. It's early in the morning, the roads are wide open, and you swing a leg over the new Honda X11. You press the starter, and the engine comes to life with a deep, refined growl that instantly reminds you why this motorcycle became a legend. You gently roll on the throttle, and the bike pulls away with effortless power. As the speed builds, the engine remains smooth, the chassis feels perfectly balanced, and every corner inspires confidence. A lightweight chassis, premium suspension, and powerful dual-front disc brakes could give the X11 the agility and control expected from a true street fighter. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising comfortably on the highway, the motorcycle should deliver the perfect balance of stability, precision, and excitement. If Honda truly revives the X11 with this level of performance and refinement, it won't simply bring back an old name. It could bring back one of the most iconic street fighters the company has ever built, a motorcycle capable of winning over longtime fans while introducing a whole new generation of riders to the legend of the Honda X11. So, what do you think? If Honda really brings back the X11 in 2026, would it have what it takes to become the ultimate street beast once again? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Bike News, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest motorcycle news, legendary comebacks, and future bike updates. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep riding, and we'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer. This video is based on public discussions, fan expectations, and creative visualization. Honda has not officially announced or confirmed the 2026 Honda X11. The motorcycle design, features, specifications, and performance discussed in this video are speculative and intended for informational and entertainment purposes only. This content is not affiliated with or endorsed by Honda Motor Co., Limited.